welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Alright then guys, today we are going to cook Italiano combination with 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. So we're gonna have a pasta series. So the first pasta that I'm gonna show you is this kind of pasta, and I'm not gonna tell you how to cook pasta. I guess you guys know how to cook pasta, and I like to have like al dente kind of pasta, so 8 to 10 minutes, pinch of salt, boiling water, oil, coconut oil, olive oil, done. You're good with pasta. So now I'm gonna show you how to combine Italiano with Indonesian taste. Let's do this. Very simple, very easy. You don't need a lot of chingalingis. You just need cheese, butter, and 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. So we're gonna use today, the first pasta series we're gonna use, it's bumbu hijau. It's a green seasoning. It's more kind of Asian basil kind of taste. Let's try. Okay, butter, and then here, and then put your garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, we're gonna put the bumbu hijau. We're gonna use the bumbu hijau here. We're gonna use 2 spoons of bumbu hijau. Put your 2 bumbu hijau here. 1, 2, yeah. Turn it down a little bit. Okay, and then now just 6 ounces of pasta. Okay, a little bit more. If you have tongue, you can use tongue. See that the basil kind of stuff. You can put your cheese and umami. I'm gonna use umami. Okay, this is the salt that I use. It's umami salt. Okay, let's use a little bit. But before that, let's taste. Just put salt a little bit, umami, and then cheese. Okay guys, so okay, we're gonna put this. Very simple pasta there. If you want more cheese, put more cheese. Okay, cheese, and then your basil, tomatillos. I'm gonna put some tomatillos there. Unamas. Okay, tomatillos, and your umami if you need more salt. There you go guys, pasta ala 17,000 flavors of Indonesia with bumbu hijau, with this seasoning. Bueno. How do you say in Italiano? Tottemo bene. Tottemo bene. Okay, it's good. Bye guys.